Business to succeed, it has to be able to change with the times. This week's Montana-made business has been doing just that for more than 35 years. MTN's Chet Lehman introduces us to Big Timberworks.
In 1983, Merle Adams and his partner in Gallatin Gateway decided they no longer wanted to build log buildings. They wanted to do something better. They chose timber frame building.
It's been around for thousands of years, and timber frames can stand for thousands of years. And when you travel parts of the world, you see that. Big roof systems of castles and whatnot.
That was the beginnings of Big Timberworks. The work was good. Then Merle had another idea.
And Big Timberworks was actually the first company in this area that started bringing in old wood. And the old wood I'm talking about is what we refer to as commercial salvage Douglas fir. So it's material that came out of, a warehouse in Chicago, California, New Jersey, wherever. A lot of these buildings were built in and around the war, when steel was all going to the war. So they were building these warehouse type structures with big timber. So they'd cut trees in the old growth forest, put them on the rail, send them to whatever the location was, we were building these big timber structures.
Today, you can find Big Timberworks efforts in 40 states. Before he died, Merle also changed the way Big Timberworks was managed. He turned the sole proprietor business into a co-op-owned operation. Of the 21 current employees, 13 are considered owners, a one-of-a-kind business in Montana, according to the Internal Revenue Service, and a lifesaver for the organization when Merle passed 2 years ago.
We lost a huge part of our company, but at the same time, we were well positioned to keep moving forward and be stable and not have to wonder. Sole proprietor dies in a company, all the employees are left thinking, "Ooh, well, what's going to happen? Do I have a job?" Nobody here ever had that thought.
Along with Big Timbers, Big Timberworks also has its own metal fabrication shop and has more than 300 live edge slabs that can be used for tables or countertops. The sawmill is expanding, and the business, started in Gallatin Gateway 3 decades ago, is going strong thanks to the foresight of its founder and the dedication of those who've worked here for years. In Gallatin Gateway, Chet Lehman, MTN News.